So I was watching a YouTube video and I seen a guy pull out his old wiring harness and he had it in a box and honestly I looked at that and said, shit, my shit looks worse than his. So what do you guys think? Should I pull this or just organize what I got? I mean, which of course I have to organize it, but yeah, this is pretty crazy. So yeah, these are the new gauges I installed, which of course a lot of this stuff will get cleaned up, but whew, it's definitely a lot of work. Of course, that's a stereo, which, I mean, really, technically, I'm not really worried about it being that I came from the aircraft maintenance world. I was once an aircraft electrician, so yeah, everything works, but let me stop being a dick. Turn this damn car up, y'all. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what this harness looked like, even though I started it up. Oh my gosh, y'all know I'm super excited. Y'all, thank you for watching my videos, and if you like what you're seeing, please hit the like button and subscribe button, do all that fancy stuff. All right, thanks.